Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome back to my channel Django World. Before moving ahead with the project, we need to clear one topic which is known as static. So if I go to VS Code and settings.py, then you can see here we have static underscore URL. So static means the files which is in form of CSS, JavaScript or image. Those files are known as static files, right? So to implement these settings, okay, we need to do some changes in our settings.py and we need to create static folder too, which I have already created in a blog underscore project and inside static, and we have CSS folder, right? So this is our static file. But before that, why we need to do this? Because Django don't allow the old path, okay, old path parsing, like the path which we are passing in our normal HTML by giving slashes. Okay, we Django don't allow that. Django have some specific syntax to do that. So in static, we have CSS folder. In CSS folder, I will create one file which will be style.css. Now here I will write one class, so red underscore color, and here I will just give color which will be red. Okay, now I will save this and then I will just go to settings.py file. Now here I will make some variables. So we have static files underscore dir and static underscore root. So before doing that, if we go to Django's documentation, they have shown us the perfect way of the loading static files, right? But here we will just copy this variable static files underscore dir and we will paste that variable under the static underscore urls. Now we don't need this, we only need the static. If you are keeping this static folder name different, then you need to update it over here, right? So this is done. Then we will go above. Now you can see we have one Django HTML tag which is load static. So this basically, what does this do? That this will load all the static files which are in this folder. Okay, so we will just copy this and we will paste that tag where in which we want to load the file. So we will go to base.html and here on the very top of this document I will just paste that. Remember, when you are using this load static, you need to paste that on the very top. Okay, just save this settings.py file, also save this base.html, and if we are using this load static in any other file which has this extends base.html, then you need to paste that above this extends base.html. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will go here and just refresh. Okay, you need to paste that below the extends base.html, not above. So keep this rule in mind. I am just removing this because I don't want that tag in blog underscore home. I want here, and as we have created style.css, so we will import that in our base.html. Okay, so here I will write link and I will just cut this style and I will give static and I will pass css slash this style.css. I hope you got the idea. You no need to pass static, you need to pass only css slash style.css. Okay, save this and we will go to blog home and here I will write h1 tag and here I will give class which will be red underscore color. Copy this, paste it over here and I will write blog home, save it. Now come over here, refresh. I think it's not getting our static file, so let me go to inspect, refresh. Okay, so style.css has been not detected, has not been detected. Why?
A few inches later.
Okay, it's not correct because we need to pass blog underscore project slash. So our static file is here in blog underscore project, so we need to pass that path. If our static file would be on the main directory where manage.py file is located, then we do not need to pass this blog underscore project. Okay, so what I will do here is that I will just drag this folder outside. Okay, so our folder has came here. Now I will remove this blog underscore project, save this, come over here and just refresh. Now you can see our blog underscore home has appeared in red color. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. So in next video we are going to see how we can implement font awesome in our project. So yeah, we will see that in next lecture. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in next one. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.